are wheel spacers safe for Audi A4. Commonly, these Audi wheel spacers are made of aluminum installed between the hub assembly and the wheel, pushing the wheels out to provide a more compact stance and increase the stance between the wheels. As long as you use high-quality Audi spacers and install them correctly, the wheel spacers are very safe. Choosing the wheel spacer size depends on your driving style, your car's modification, and your goals. When choosing wheel spacers, size is a key factor. From racing track day to daily commuter comfort, there are many choices of wheel spacer fitment. Depending on the car's year and model, the vehicle has a range of potential stock wheel spacer size, including 3mm, 5mm, 10mm, 12mm, 15mm, 20mm to 50mm. Compared with others, the hollow-out design of BONOSS 5x112 plus wheel spacers is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability.
BONOSS aluminum wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black hard coat anodizing. A purple hard anodizing coating ensures complete protection against corrosion. The black dye not only brings a premium appearance but also tends to be light-fast. This means that the coatings will not fade easily. In order to get max manual performance and a better experience, it is vital that you have the brand new wheel spacers. Vehicle-specific wheel spacers are considered to be the safest wheel spacers. They are machined to your vehicle specification, which ensures perfect fitment.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.